If you want to start earning from your content through memberships and exclusive perks, setting up a Patreon page is a great first step. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up your Patreon page as a complete beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your page ready to start attracting supporters. First, go to the Patreon website and sign up for an account using your email or social login. Once you're in, click on Create on Patreon to begin setting up your creator page. Next, choose what type of creator you are, such as video creator, writer, artist, or something else. This helps Patreon understand your content and suggest the right setup options. Now, set up your page basics. Add a profile picture and a banner image that represent your brand. Then write a clear and engaging page description explaining what you create and why people should support you. Make sure to highlight the value your supporters will get. After that, create your membership tiers. Start with at least 2 or 3 tiers at different price points. For each tier, clearly define the benefits, such as exclusive posts, early access, behind-the-scenes content, or direct interaction with you. Next, set up your payment details so you can receive earnings. Patreon will guide you through connecting your bank account or payment provider. Now, customize your page further by adding an introduction video if possible. This helps visitors quickly understand what you offer and builds trust. Once everything is ready, review your page carefully. Make sure all information is clear, your tiers are attractive, and your branding looks professional. Then click on Launch to make your Patreon page live. After launching, start promoting your page on your social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or Twitter. Let your audience know what they'll get by joining your Patreon. In this tutorial, we learned how to set up a Patreon page by creating an account, adding page details, setting membership tiers, connecting payments, and launching it. This sets a strong foundation for earning from your content. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.